See here in this problem. Here x of t is given for an impulse response system h of t. So then what is the output y of t? So here h of t is given as 1 by phi t. So it is nothing but Hilbert transform. So here x of t is given as sin t plus cos t. So then what is the y of t? So let x of t was going to convolution with h of t. It results y of t. So here h of t is given as Hilbert transform, that is 1 by phi t. So whenever any signal was going to convolution with Hilbert transform, it results there is a 90 degree shift in the input signal and becomes as a output. That is y of t becomes x of t minus pi by 2. So this is the x of t signal. Now apply t minus pi by 2 in this, so it becomes y of t. So that is y of t equal to, so sin t is there, sin of t minus pi by 2 plus cos t is there, cos of t minus pi by 2. So it becomes minus cos t plus sin t. So from the options, option B is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.